Be warned, at the Kentucky Railway Museum, you never know when there might be a train robbery. From bandits to bushwhackers to bootleggers, you never know when you might get recruited to join the gang.
Okay, I'm telling you guys.
It's our secret. You can be part of our gang, the Dawson gang.
Dawson?
Oh, okay, all right.
These bands of outlaws are sure to rustle up some excitement as they move through the passenger cars.
I got you. You can't get away from the law. I'm at the law. Come on, I got you dead to rights. You ain't gonna steal no more payroll out of this train ever again.
I'm innocent.
Never again. Oh, innocent.
Take a ride on the Mystery Train and get involved in solving a murder mystery as it plays out.
Somebody has died. Her brother has died. You help us determine her brother died.
Here, somebody didn't fill out a card.
Your evening begins at the historic Sherwood Inn with dinner and a play. The mystery continues as you board the train. Watch the action unfold and follow the clues to try to discover who done it.